I have a Frigidaire 95 pint Model FAD954DWD dehumidifier. Code E5 appears shortly after turning on. When this happens, none of the controls shut off power or work and I have to unplug it. I cannot get a hold of our local repair service. Please help. Thanks.
Do you know the model of your Frigidaire dehumidifier? How old is it?
Manufacturing in 2016.
How long has this been going on with your Frigidaire dehumidifier? What have you tried so far?
Plug unplug. It appears to be a power supply board.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Tell me if it can be repaired. Parts are scarce on various websites for this model.
Good morning. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question.
Great.
I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your appliance. I understand how frustrating that must be. Can you tell me if this refrigerator does start to run for a few minutes before it shuts off?
Dehumidifier 95 pint. And yes, for less than a minute before code E5 appears, then I have to unplug to cut power.
Perfect, thank you. If you don't mind, please allow me a few minutes to look up your model and type. In the meantime, if you have anything else you'd like to add, you can respond and I'll read it while I'm typing.
Customer attachment August 31, 2021 03 and 22 seconds p.m. Customer attachment August 31, 2021 04 and 10 seconds p.m. Good luck with that. Frigidaire is useless.
E5, which Frigidaire has now switched to an F0 error on newer units, means that your evaporator thermistor sensor isn't reading properly on a Frigidaire dehumidifier. The entire outer shell will need to be taken apart in order to access the coils where the sensor is clipped into, but if you remove the little thermistor sensor and sand the sensor so it shines again, you can remove the corrosion built up over time and usually it'll work again. If not, then the sensor will need to be replaced. Below is a video on the overall process of locating and cleaning the sensor. If you can't clean the sensor and getting working, you would need to contact Frigidaire to see if they weld the part separately. https://www.youtube.com/watch v = TNWW by 1UEA. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
Manual says contact them with E5 code, but no one is there.
Please read the answer I just sent you.
Okay. Thanks, Tyler. I replaced thermistor on my dryer via YouTube, so I feel confident I can do this too. I mean, for an old woman. And number 55358 semicolon and number 56616.
No problem, and good luck.
Do you have a video or help guide me on the 95 pint unit? It's much more complicated to take apart, please. Let me try first, but later after another cup of coffee.
Unfortunately, there isn't a video for your particular type unit, I'm sorry to say.
Customer attachment August 31, 2021 16:46 seconds p.m.
Without being there, I can't tell you how to take it apart.
I paid $5 to watch a free video? Tell me how to take this apart or not? Okay, fine. Thanks.
Actually, you paid $5 to know what is wrong with your appliance. If you need a technician to come out and take the unit apart for you, you may need to call a repair service out for you.
No problem. Thanks.
You're welcome, and good luck.
Tenacity and critical thinking. Not luck. Thanks. Have a blessed day.
You as well.
Nope, wasn't the thermistor. Comes in the E5 and throws the breaker. Power supply maybe? On then.
It's a thermistor error. If the thermistor isn't the problem, then your main control board is bad. Those are the only two possibilities.
Perfect. That's what I thought. Thanks.
Good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.